Hey there everyone, how you doing? And well, hello there. It's Monday and just about to start work. It's early morning, and the good thing about my job is I get to finish, I get to finish early because I start early. I start at 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'm usually awake by around 5 o'clock. And the drive to work is much easier, very little traffic, but I think that's all going to be changing very soon because the lockdowns are being eased quite a bit, and that's going to help out a lot. But I just want to say, I really appreciate a lot of you guys, the comments they've given. I was just scrolling through some of my videos from the past several months, like way back in November when I started this channel. And there's just been a huge difference in the way I'm presenting the information and in the things I'm showing. And I think that's going to continue to happen. This is constantly transforming because as I'm discovering new things, I'm doing new things and I'm showing new things. And I'm hoping to just continue with my van build. I'm really happy with it. And I always mention it almost every time I do these things. I'm going to do something about that roof. And you know what? I thought about the other thing is maybe I don't have to, but the thing is, I think I need to. I just need to get it out of my system. So anyway, hopefully the next video, I'll be able to show something that resembles an updated roof. Like anything else, I'm going to start with one thing. I think that's the important thing. Starting is, to me, very challenging. But once I get going, once I start, it does get a bit easier, and then things start to happen. So it's like it's like a car engine on a cold winter day, trying to start that off, and so it's usually quite challenging. Okay, anyway, I have to start soon, but yeah, I have to start work. But yeah, I'm gonna start with maybe this is just one strip going across at the top, and see how that works out for me. And maybe I'll do that this weekend. Maybe I'll do it middle of the week. I actually don't know. It depends how much I get done. I've got a ton of stuff I got to get done. Just all administrative stuff that's sort of been on the back burner, just because life's been so busy. But they're all things that have to get done and things that I don't necessarily know how to do. But you know what? I'll always figure it out. Okay, guys, have a great week. Hope you like this random video. Bye-bye.